How to solve this problem, this fatal problem? How to repair this cutting? This maybe make a short circuit and damage this part, so you have to replace it. But how to decrease the costs and fix this? Because these wires, if contacts, as you see, they will be explode, fire, and damage all this part, and you have to replace this one. So you have to insulate this one. You have to cut here. You have to cut here. This one. Cut here, and then insulate with carton this wire from this wire. Now we cut, as you see. This from a pen. That one will cut also. And then I cut this one. You see. And then we insulate here. As you see. Then with carton we will strong this part to decrease the movement of the cable and decrease the weakness of this part to prevent the damage of the copper wire.